Alright, now I'm going to try to start this Ferrari. Now there's some problem with it, maybe someone can help me. So just come in here. Yeah, when you push the button, what's the light like there? Any good?
Yeah, it's all good.
Now push the button, a little red light goes on there. See the little red light? That's not opening me door. Well, it opens anyway, but it won't start for some reason because I think the switch, the cut-off switch is on. So let's see if it kicks open. You got me there, Jaco?
Yep.
Yep. Oh, that's it. I'll push the little red button. It's got an auto cut-off switch. Try it again. So when you push this little button here, right, this button, right, it should open the door. You should hear a click on the door. So it's not clicking. The door should open up automatically.
The thing is, I suppose if you try and...
Hey, mate, what are you doing?
If you try and...
Fucking point it over there. I'm the fucking star of the show here, mate.
Yeah.
It's not turning, it won't start.
You try and unlocking that door.
It won't unlock any door, mate. It's when you push that button there. Right, it should go click. It's not clicking. Someone said it might be a fuse. If anyone out there knows what the problem is, please send me a message to tell me what the problem is. Otherwise, I'll take it down to the Ferrari dealer and they'll charge me like a fucking $1,000 to get the fucking thing started. You right, Val? I'm making a movie.
What's going on in there?
Yeah, it won't start.
Not much.
I've got the beast. Kicking on, that's what I think it is. You can hear the fuel pump in the background. And that thing there, when you push that button, it should go click and it turns the auto cut-off switch. I put a new battery in here, so the battery's alright. So, maybe it's a fuse. What do you think? You know anything about these cars? Can someone send me a text message and tell me what the problem is? Be much appreciated.